back to my channel. If you're new here, don't be shy, hit that subscribe button. So today I'm finally doing something that I've been wanting to do for literally such a long time, like since YouTube began. I've been wanting to do that, and it is a snack box. This one is specifically a snack crate, and I got a mystery box. I don't know what it is, but I'm really excited. I've been wanting to do this like ever since I started a YouTube channel, and I was broke, so now that I'm not, I was like, oh my gosh, this is such a perfect opportunity to do this. And I wanted like someone to do it with me, but it just didn't work out. So I was like, you know what, we're just gonna do it by ourselves, all in the queenliness and treating ourselves to some snacks. I'm excited. Woo, I'm excited. Again, I don't know what country they're gonna be from. I picked the mystery option, so we are gonna get mystery. Oh my gosh, it's so cute! Look at it! Look at her! Ah. Sorry. I'm really excited if you couldn't tell. Germany. Ooh. Oh, and it has a bunch of fun facts. That's so cool. It's illegal to run out of fuel. And it's not illegal to escape prison. That's cool. Alright, Germany, let's see what you got. This is so cute, guys. Look at how adorable. It has the little... Wait, I'm gonna open it right now. Look at how... Oh, look at that. Okay. Alright, here we have these. These are the first ones. It looks like they're like peanuts. I don't know. Like almost kind of like Cheetos, maybe? Smells like peanuts. Ooh. Look at that. This is why I don't need to be doing things like this. Okay, anyways. It kind of tastes like I can't even think what it tastes like. I mean, it tastes like peanuts, but like if Cheeto Puffs were peanut flavored. I think it would taste like this. I'm not sure if I like it. Like if I'm gonna eat peanuts, I just want to eat peanuts. Just 26% sodium. And now you know that I read the back of the ingredients list. Fun fact. Oh, Debbie, that's so cute. They're sour ones. They're hot. I think they're sour. Look at how cute that packaging is. Yo, why does every country have better packaging for everything that they do? Why does America suck like that? Anyways. I'm gonna take the orange one because that looks pretty. This is what it looks like. Oh, it smells weird. Never mind, I want to take the blue one. Oh, it still smells weird. They smell funny. I don't really like gummies like that. I don't like sweet stuff in general. Oh my god, this is taking a really long time to chew. It's like, oh my gosh, I'm never gonna eat these. But yeah, it has like a sour middle. Like a volcano explodes in your mouth. Hardy, hard. Okay. Fragios. The puffs. They're kind of like tiny pretty pebbles. Here's how they look. Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know. Guys, isn't this exciting? Aren't we so having much fun right now? Oh my god, it smells fake. It literally, it smells like chemicals. Oh no. Not that one. No. Oh my gosh. It literally is like puffs with like chemical. Wait, like I'm pretty sure I ate a cherry one. That's disgusting. Next we have Hitchler Sour Drachenzugen. They look kind of like sour fruit roll-ups. It literally looks just like a sour, like a sour airhead, I guess. Oh, they're 100% vegan. That's cool. Nice. Go Hitchler. If I said that right. So sweet. Yo, when I tell you I do not eat sweet stuff, I'm gonna brush my teeth so aggressively tonight because of all this sweet food. Knickknacks. What is with Germany and peanuts? It's like like a barbecue casing wrapped around a peanut. I don't understand why they don't just eat peanuts. Looks like. You know, I feel like you would probably stray away from a barbecue flavored peanut. Not that bad. Surprisingly, not that bad. I will have to say, I think that whoever did do this, they might be a little bit of a genius. This actually isn't bad at all. And they're so, I love how they're shaped. Like, it's literally just a chip casing around the peanut. That is exactly what it is. And you can hear it like, you hear that? It literally just snaps off as you chew it. That's cool. I like this one. Number 1. Butter cakes. These look so cute. Lebens. Something like that. I definitely want to do this again, except I want to do Tokyo. And I want to, or Japan. I think it's Japan. They have snack boxes from like Turkey, Germany. I think they had France, Switzerland, and then I think it was England, and then like Tokyo, Japan. So they have a ton of options. Or you can do a mystery box like I did. I probably won't do that again though, just because I don't want to like risk getting Germany again and getting the same snacks. But here's what a butter cake looks like. It just tastes like a Ritz cracker. Like it doesn't even taste like buttery or sugary. I would definitely eat this with cheese though. Like, I couldn't imagine this being like a cookie. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be like a cookie. It doesn't really taste like a cookie though. It tastes like a Ritz cracker. Okay. So much chocolate. A bunch of chocolate in here. So much chocolate. It's like 4 chocolate bars. Okay. I have Knoppers. That's what they look like. I'm not. It looks like it might be just like a pre-packaged s'more, I think. All their stuff smells really fake. I don't know if that's like disrespectful to say, but it smells really freaking fake. You know that chocolate that comes in like the countdown to Christmas boxes? This tastes like that. I don't know if you have that chocolate, and if you like that chocolate, I might think you're a sociopath, but it just doesn't taste good to me. That's like, it's weird. Like, it just tastes fake. You know, I don't like tasting fake. We don't do fake around here. Okay, here's another one. Hanuta. It literally looks exactly the same, just without the marshmallow. So I'm assuming that it's gonna taste the same, which is fake chocolate, which can't be that surprised, I guess. It's a little square. So I'm definitely not a chocolate person, so I mean, not that kind of chocolate, but That's what it looks like. It has that little layer, and there's like hazelnut. I think, yeah, there's like little hazelnut pieces. So this chocolate actually tastes a lot better, mainly because I can taste the hazelnut hint, and I feel like that just increases how it tastes. Also, the wafer, 100. This one's a lot better. Number 2, Hanuta. Number 2, for sure. Really good. Hazelnut and chocolate again. Bueno. Yeah, it just looks like a regular chocolate bar, maybe with like hazelnut cream. I think. I make no promises. It's cute. It's like a little. It's kind of cute. I like the attention, the detail we have going here. It's really immaculate. Love the vibes. Oh, I just pop right off. Oh, it's like a waiter. I don't know why, but I wasn't expecting it to be that wet when I chewed into it. This is definitely up there with the small one. It just tastes fake. Also, I didn't like that little creamy surprise. I was not happy about that. Okay, another chocolate bar. Oh, Corny Big. I think it's more like a protein bar, maybe. That's what it looks like. No, it's not. Yes, it is. Corny Big. That's what it looks like. It looks like a granola bar with chocolate. It smells. Why does your food smell so big? It's literally just the granola and chocolate. Just like a Quaker Oats one. I don't like this. Okay, anyways, moving on. Ooh, Balisto has yogurt, cake, and fruit covered in chocolate. I'm not gonna eat chocolate for the next couple of weeks. That's for sure. Oh, and they're little cute sticks. Can they look? That's not bad. There's like yogurt inside. That's pretty good. That's like different. It would probably be fun to put these in the freezer and let them get cold. So the yogurt's kind of cold. But it has a nice little fruity taste to it. That twang. Fruity twang. We have gummies. Gummies and ice cream pieces are nice. We'll call them hard candies. Let's try these gummies. This is what it looks like. Sorry. Lac gummy minis. Does anyone else really need to just chew the gum? Like, I literally can't not chew the gummy. I have to chew it. I can't just swallow it down. I don't know why. These aren't bad though. Did a lot of snacking from Germany, as you can see. Literally covered all the snacks there. Snacks on the bottom. Trash. A lot of stuff happening over here at Casa de Lea. But thank you guys so much for joining me in this video. It was something I was really excited about. I feel like that was really long / short, but hopefully I'll be able to do it again. Hopefully next time I'll do it with someone and like just make it a little bit more interesting. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for leaving a like and watching up until the end. Yeah, I hope that you guys have a great rest of your week, and I just hope that you guys have a really positive rest of your March. That's just good. Yeah, I think we'll just leave it off with good vibes for this week. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Don't forget to hit that post notification button so you get notified every single time that I post a new video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Gabby_C01. And thank you again for watching.